Hello. Just a few days ago, Ubiquiti released a new camera. It's AI Multi Sensor 4. It's an amazing camera which has 4 sensors built in, and we already installed one, and we would like to share some insights and the information about this amazing camera.
The main question, the question we see all over internet, does it stitch all the video feeds into one? The answer is no. You will see in the Protect, you will see each camera as separate video feed. They linked in the interface, but it's a separate camera. Each of them you can align in the direction you need. So it's gonna cover huge area, and the most convenient thing about it, you need just one Ethernet cable for all 4 cameras to work.
Another nice feature, so the camera has built-in 360 infrared. So it doesn't matter how you align each sensor, at night, so you have 360 very powerful infrared built in inside the camera, which is pretty awesome.
Another interesting thing is this camera has a similar mount to AI PTZ, and now we finally have a corner mount which will work for this camera and for PTZ. Also, there's like huge amount of options for the mounting. It has a ceiling mounting, it has mounting for the pole, it has mounting for the corner, for the flat wall, so everything you can think of. From our experience, this camera is very good fit for environments like this. It will be very efficient for the manufacturing facilities, big warehouses, parking lots. For example, for this particular case, we point one of the cameras this way, so we can see all the cars going out from the parking lot. We can see their license plates. Second camera pointing to the entry. And we will have all the records of all cars coming in with license plates. It also has face detection, so we will see faces of all the people coming in. Third camera pointing directly here to the security booth, so we will see all interactions with the security guy, which is important. And fourth camera pointing to the parking lot, so we will see the big chunk of the parking from this camera.